If you are looking for a side hustle and you want to make a little extra money from home without having to have special skills or experience and you don't have a lot of time to do it, well, you are in the right place. Hey, it's Dan Froelke, and check this out. These $100 checks are from a little known program that I've been quietly promoting for almost a year now. I added this little income stream to my online portfolio last July, and I've been receiving these $100 checks multiple times per week, sometimes multiple times per day. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step, and I'm going to show you how easily you can start receiving these checks within hours from right now. Let's get started. So how exactly am I earning these $100 checks over and over again? Well, it's from a platform called JobOpp. And by the end of this video, you will learn what is JobOpp, what exactly is the product that we're selling, what exactly do you get with JobOpp, and how do you promote this business opportunity. And make sure you stay until the end of this video because I've got some fast action and bonuses that I want to share with you should you decide to partner with me and start earning these $100 checks. So first, what is JobOpp? It's an online business opportunity and one of the most successful advertising services on the internet. It's owned by Mr. Joseph Iorio, and the company's been in business since 1997. The website sells a valuable product that every marketer needs, and this product is in high demand. And it's really a home-based business you can be proud of, and more on that in just a second. JobOpp is a complete turnkey business opportunity that pays out $100 commissions plus $50 bonus commissions 7 days a week for its members. Absolutely no experience is required, no special skills are needed, and the company sets everything up for you. It's very simple to promote, and it's available worldwide. So I mentioned this a little earlier about the product having actual value and always in high demand. Well, the product is advertising, specifically a targeted solo ad sent to 250,000 prospects via their advertising service. And if you've been promoting anything online, then you know traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. And we always need consistent, high-quality clicks to our website on a daily basis to make sales. And that's why this product is in high demand, as I mentioned. Now, in addition to the advertising campaign sent to 250,000 prospects, you'll also get your very own JobOpp webpage, and that's this site right here. This includes built-in lead capture pages with pre-written follow-up email messages. The company sets everything up for you. You don't have to do a thing, and the autoresponder is absolutely free. More on that in just a second. And incidentally, you can use your 250,000 advertising campaign to promote any business you like, or use the campaign to promote your new JobOpp page, which of course pays you $100 per sale. When placing your order, just let the company know what website, affiliate link, or capture page you would like to promote, and they will create and deliver the campaign for you. There's no hosting fees, no autoresponder fees, and they set the entire funnel up for you. So the company's going to create a custom full-color ad and send it to 250,000 targeted prospects, any business opportunity, health product, or apparel website. Or you can promote your JobOpp site. Well, first of all, I want to make this very clear. This opportunity is not about recruiting like a lot of business opportunities out there. It's about selling a real product, advertising. So you're not getting paid to recruit, you're getting paid on the sale of the product. So it's a home-based business you can be proud of. That being said, when someone joins from your page that the company is going to set up for you, you will receive $100 commission. So $100 per sale on direct sales and $50 a sale on second line sales. And I'll explain that in just a second. And I really love this. There is no waiting to get paid. After the sale is processed, the company will pay you that same day, either by PayPal using your email address on file or via check like I do. And I just love getting these checks in the mail. and commission notifications are emailed to you in real time. It will also send you a complete sales stat data with each sale. And I also want to mention the support to JobOps is phenomenal. They've been paying out their affiliates for over 23 years now, all on time. I've always got my commissions on time. All right, let's talk about the second line sales. Now, every time your customer makes a sale, you get a bonus commission of $50. So just think of it like this. When you make a sale, that person essentially becomes a member of your sales force. So whenever they make a sale, you get an additional $50 for life, really, without doing anything. When you sell the product, your team automatically grows, earning you a significant passive income, and you don't have to do anything. So let's recap and tell you exactly what you get with this home-based business. Well, like I said, you're going to get a real business that you could be proud of. You're going to be able to earn $100 commissions plus $50 bonus commissions from your team sales paid immediately and directly to you. You'll also get one advertising campaign to 250,000 targeted prospects. The company is going to design the full color ad for you and send it out to their massive database. And these guys, again, have been around since 1997. I can imagine how huge their email lists are. Incredible. You can promote any business you like with this campaign, or you can use the campaign to promote your new JobOpp business and earn $100 per sale, plus $50 bonus commissions. You'll get a complete turnkey business. The company will set your entire funnel up for you. You'll get a high converting sales page, stunning lead capture pages, and an autoresponder with built-in follow-up email messages, completely turnkey. You'll also get access to the JobOpp Toolkit, and this is a website that contains valuable information and training on how to promote your new business. You can purchase more advertising there, learn how to promote on Facebook, YouTube, magazine, display, and classified ads. You'll also get banner ads, flyers, and email ad copy. It's just a fantastic resource. Now, if you are interested in having your very own home-based business, promoting a real product that every online business wants while earning these $100 checks over and over again, click the very first link in the description of my video, or go to joboppsystem.com, joboppsystem.com. From there, you'll be able to see this page, the one they created for me, and it's the exact same one that they're going to create for you. There's a one-time fee of just $297. Now, the regular price is $347, but you can save $50 when you use my link right there, joboppsystem.com, joboppsystem.com. And the $297 gets you everything: the 250,000 ad package and complete turnkey business with everything that I just mentioned: website, capture pages, follow-up emails, and training site. All right, let's talk about my fast action bonuses should you decide to partner with me in the JobOpp opportunity and start earning these $100 checks. First, I want to help you make more of these $100 checks. So for a limited time, because I'm not really sure how long I'm going to be able to do this, I want to provide you with some quality top tier 1 traffic from one of my favorite solo ad vendors, Alessandro Serra. And I've been using his solo ad traffic for about a year now with one of my other online businesses with great success, and I've made a ton of sales with his solo ad traffic. So I put together a traffic rotator using Alessandro's traffic. Now, as a bonus, when you decide to join me in JobOpp using my link below, I will add your JobOpp referral link, capture page link, to our traffic rotator for a period of 4 weeks. That's 30 days of top tier 1 traffic on me, absolutely free. So in addition to the 250,000 advertising blasts that you're going to receive from JobOps, you will also get top tier 1 traffic sent to your new JobOps site on me, absolutely free. And I always say, the more traffic, the merrier. You will also receive my brand new ebook, 15 little known traffic resources revealed. And in this ebook, you will learn some under the radar sources, interesting tactics, strategies, and valuable information when it comes to getting free traffic. And I'm 100% certain you have not seen all of these traffic sources. It's an awesome ebook loaded with valuable information. Yours free when joining me in JobOpp. And here's another bonus with a tremendous amount of value. It's called the Ultimate Resource Money List. And I just paid $97 for this, and I'm going to give it to you absolutely free. All these proven money sources have been consolidated into one book with all kinds of valuable information here. You've got work from home, salary-based jobs. There's over 100 jobs there. SBA loans, business grants, student debt forgiveness. There's credit card links that require no credit check. Small emergency lines of credit, apps that pay you. There's over 100 there. Instant line of credit sites, business credit sites. And this ebook is continually updated with new sources. And you get the resale rights to resell this for $97 a pop. All the instructions are included there, how to set everything up, etc. A lot of value right here. And again, I'm giving this away to you for free when you join me in JobOpp. All right, if you are interested in working directly with me and you want to earn $100 to $200 per day, make sure you click the very first link in the description of this video. It's joboppsystem.com, joboppsystem.com. Just enter your very best email address, and from there, you're going to be redirected to see all my fast action bonuses that I just mentioned, along with a complete overview website of this unique home-based business opportunity, JobOpp. If you did get some value out of this video and you learned something, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Now, if this JobOpp opportunity doesn't appeal to you, well, I have many other ways to make money online in 2023 here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and check them all out. I've been helping people make money online for over 12 years now, and I'd love to help you out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.